Lying at the southwestern corner of Anglesey, guarding the western approaches to the Menai Strait, and overlooked by the mountains of Llanddwyn, Llanddwyn or Llanddwyn Island is one of those magical places where you can actually touch the past, and your hair stands on end. Llanddwyn is only an island during the highest of tides. Llanddwyn actually means the Church of St. Dwynwen. She was one of 24 daughters of the 5th century Prince of Brecon, St. Brychan. Legend tells us that Dwynwen loved a young man named Mylon, who unfortunately did not live up to the expectations of her father. He wished his daughter to marry another. Dwynwen prayed to be delivered from her predicament. She dreamt that she was given a potion that would solve all her amorous problems. Her wish was granted, but alas, the potion turned her true love into a block of ice. A reminder that one should think very carefully about what they wish for. Distraught, Dwynwen prayed she be granted a further 3 wishes. Firstly, that Mylon be revived. Secondly, that all true lovers find happiness. And thirdly, that she herself would never again feel the need for romantic love. Still in her teens, Dwynwen dedicated herself to the lonely life of a religious recluse here on Ynys Llanddwyn. The White Beacon, Tŵr Bach, was the first aid to shipping to be built on the island. Most of the world's slate passed through the Menai Strait seaports of Carnarvon, Felinheli and Bangor. As the trade grew, the need to have pilots at hand to guide the slate ships safely in and out of these ports and the straits became imperative. These cottages were built to accommodate the pilots. From here, they could be rowed out quickly to any ship that might require their assistance. The lighthouse, modelled on the Anglesey windmills, was built in 1845. And what of St. Dwynwen? After her death, her reputation spread far and wide. Pilgrims travelled huge distances to her sacred well, where the faithfulness of lovers could be divined by the movements of eels that lived in the well. The lady would scatter breadcrumbs on the surface of the well, then cover them with her handkerchief. If an eel disturbed the cloth, her lover would be faithful. In medieval times, St. Dwynwen's shrine became so popular that the offerings left by pilgrims funded the building of a chapel in the 16th century on the site of Dwynwen's original chapel. The ruins that you see today are of that Tudor chapel. It's no wonder that Dwynwen is the patron saint of lovers, and Llanddwyn is her place. St. Dwynwen's feast day is celebrated in Wales with cards and flowers on the 25th day of January.